Hi, my name's Rachel Storey. I am head of fifth form and I teach biology here at the college. So I'm not a fan of dissections. I managed to get through my GCSE and A levels without doing them. I just sort of watched. And then when I chose to do cell biology, a large part in choosing cell biology over straight biology was that there were no compulsory dissections in that. Turned up for teacher training on my first day and was presented with an eyeball, complete with eyelashes, and asked to dissect it in front of the year 11s. I'm not a huge fan, but I'm a lot better now. And our technicians are very good at kindly making sure there's no eyelashes on the eyeballs. And I really like Tigger out of Winnie the Pooh. I think that some of the Disney films can be really quite sad, and there's nothing sad about Tigger. He's just a happy tiger who likes to bounce and make people happy. I've had quite a few part-time jobs. I started out with a paper round when I was 13 that I stuck at for 3 years. I don't know what I was thinking. I also used to do an awful lot of babysitting as a teenager. I had a Saturday job working at a shop. There's a bit like a Woolworth type shop in our local village. I also worked as a receptionist in a computer shop, and I've worked in a Wetherspoons pub as well. Okay, so one of the things I was looking at was, so when you're looking at cancer, we're typically looking at metastasizing, so when the cancer spreads to another organ, that's a real key point in the diagnostic and treatment. And so one of the things that you can do is you can take the gene from a particular species of jellyfish called green fluorescent protein, and you can put it into your cancer cells, or like the cancer cells that you're growing, and you can then watch them under a microscope and watch individual cells move and then study the process.